In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use margin trading on Binance. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped to navigate the platform, execute trades, and manage your risk appropriately. Begin by navigating to the Binance website in your preferred web browser. If prompted, enter your credentials to sign in to your account. Once you are logged in, locate the trade menu at the top of the screen, hover over it to reveal additional options and select margin from the drop-down list. After clicking on margin, you may be required to acknowledge the associated risks of margin trading. Carefully read through the risk acknowledgement and confirm it to proceed. Once you've enabled margin trading, you will need to transfer funds into your margin wallet. Look for the transfer button, usually found within the margin trading section. Click on it, and in the pop-up window, select the amount you wish to transfer from your main wallet to your margin wallet. Ensure that you understand the concepts of borrowing and interest rates associated with margin trading, as these will significantly impact your trading experience. This preparation is essential for engaging in leveraged trades safely. Next, you will select a trading pair that is available for margin trading. On the trading interface, look for the list of available pairs and choose the one you wish to trade. After selecting the trading pair, you will need to borrow funds based on your available margin balance. This can typically be done through a borrowing interface that allows you to specify the amount you wish to borrow. Once you have your funds, you can place buy or sell orders carefully. It is crucial to monitor your margin level continuously to avoid liquidation, which can happen if your equity falls below a certain threshold. In addition to managing your margin level, consider using stop-loss orders to protect your investments. These orders automatically sell your assets at a predetermined price, helping you limit potential losses. Be cautious not to over-leverage your account, as this can increase your risk significantly. Proper execution of trades during this step is vital for responsible margin trading. After completing your trades, you will need to repay any borrowed funds. Keep track of interest accumulation on your loans, which can add up quickly. It is important to maintain your margin level above safety thresholds to avoid margin calls. Holding margin positions long-term without a solid strategy can be risky. Carefully review your profits and losses from each trade and learn from any mistakes to improve your future trading strategies. This management step is essential for protecting your capital. And that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.